So we are late for the classes and we are heading toward the classes. Let me show you the quick view. I think it's that one. 103 or 104. We will not get Wi-Fi here, huh? Check now. Wanna go in or sitting with Elena?
This one you understand?
So here's the context that I went to the classes at 8:30 in the morning, and then we got a text from our lecturer that the class is cancelled. And we have the class at 12 and it is already 11:80. I have to go to the mess and had some lunch. I did not had breakfast because of his class only, and so we have to quickly get ready and
that was the lecture. So what happened now? He didn't only book. It was like I thought I will get ready at 8:30, but I didn't book, so we have to take the class at 12, and it's not his fault. Yeah, of course, it's not his fault. It's
our fault. So I'm getting ready because I don't want to get late to his classes, or else I have to write Atra podcast.
Languages: Kyrgyz, Uzbek, Kazakh, Turkmen, Turkish. These are related languages of Uzbek because they are very similar to each other. And anyone who knows Uzbek can definitely understand that language.
Hindu tili bilan Urdu tili bir-biriga juda o'xshaydi. Shuning uchun ular qardosh tillar hisoblanadi.
Hindi Tila and Urdu are very similar to each other, so they are considered sister languages.
Yes, tushundingizlar meni?
I just booked my cab and I'm waiting for the cab right here. So let's see. It's already 9:06 and our lecture is at 9. Let's see what will happen. It exceed wait time.
One.
Next time you Which one? This one.
You check patient.
Okay. Yes. I just changed my jacket and I'm put on right now. So he gave me something like this. This is about we should fill it with the information of the patient, and that's now. So this is the hospital and this is some kind of room. I don't know which room it is. It's cool. She's asking us. She's not giving. He will give. Come. My patient was a heart patient and he was on dialysis, and the doctor come lecturer made us count the BP, heart rate, and the patient's vaccine or not, and his age, name, all this stuff, and the temperature. So we are done with our turn and we are heading toward the hostel now. Hi Shirley.
Our class 1.
It's so irreplaceable. Everybody knows
You know,
I've
but
always been so
we are not delivering lesson like college level. Okay?
Right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living hard.
मुझे ना ये वाले सबसे क्यूट लगे, पता है, पर मैं ये ले ही नहीं सकती हूँ। ये वाला मुझे बहुत पसंद आया। ये क्लासी दिखता है, अगर ये वाइट में होता ना। शिकागो बुल्स। निकाल रहा है, रुक। अगर ये एल निकला है तो मेरा मैं क्या क्या करवा रही हूँ पैसा। एस यस मिल गया। भाई प्राइस देखने दे। ऐसे भाई मिल गया ना, अच्छा हुआ इसके पीछे रख के उसको बोल रही हूँ, वो वाला बोलती। पूरा मेहनत करवा रही हूँ भाई। देख तो पूरा फटा वटा तो नहीं पकड़, तो फटा वटा नहीं होना चाहिए कहीं से। तेरे को बहुत सस्ता मिल रहा है। 10,000 निकाल के। हेलो नमस्ते, हाउ आर यू? पकड़ बोलती है, पकड़ ना भाई। नमस्ते इंग्लिश रूसी योग। याक्षी जोर
ट्रेन के चोपड़ा
Heading towards library.
Still wish I never told you I